We do have some high clouds streaming into the southeast, so it's keeping things a little bit of a milky appearance here in Philadelphia. But nonetheless, so around the county today, we have that front well off to the east. We can expect those clouds to be breaking down. And that's right. Mother Nature pulled out all the stops with this winter storm. Caused a lot of headaches this morning, but it's winding down and we'll have a couple of days to recuperate, although
we can expect. Travis?
Thanks, Rachel. There is a winter storm watch in effect for Centre County from Saturday morning through Sunday morning. June 27th. 2013. State College was pounded with potent thunderstorms, a whopping 3.38 inches of rain
in the Philippines.
Right, some very impressive winds there. You can compare them to the El Reno and more tornadoes we saw just past summer in Oklahoma. But that warm southwesterly flow will lead to an above average day across Centre County today. Average is about 48 degrees. We interviewed some interesting characters as well, but we are transitioning into a new season, and without further ado, we want to introduce those members to you. Some severe weather junkies have the passion and drive to chase these powerful storms with the hopes of improving tornado warning time. Well, Mother Nature may help to dust some of the slopes of Tussey Mountain with snow this weekend. We have a very cold Canadian air mass moving southward and eastward into our region this weekend, and it's packing a punch. Sunday, we will struggle to get out of the 20s for highs, and it will bring a shock to your system, especially after a mild day today with temperatures in the mid-50s. But it is dull and damp out there. We have showers across the state today, and they will continue into the evening hours. But once the showers end, the cold will settle in. We'll start to see our temperatures drop Saturday afternoon into Sunday, and they will be cold enough to support snow both of those days. But today, it's warm enough to support just rain. We have two systems affecting us today. The first one, a slight wave bringing some showers and sprinkles across the state today. The second is a more organized front draping from Michigan all the way south into south central Texas. This front is moving off to the east and will bring another round of some steadier light showers overnight tonight. And rain is usually a sign of change to come. And boy, is that change going to be noticed tomorrow, because after this front, we start to see some clearing and maybe even some sun to start out the day on Saturday. But a second front will push through, bringing in some Arctic cold air and some snow showers on Saturday into Sunday. Not really looking for any accumulation, really. Perhaps a dusting here and there on the grassy surfaces of Centre County. And then on Sunday, look for those winds to ramp up, gusting upwards of 35 miles per hour. So wind, cold, and snow, three ingredients that will make for a very frigid winter-like weekend. But looking ahead into next week, we start out with sun on Monday, moderating into Tuesday with temperatures climbing into the mid-40s. Could be a storm system hugging the eastern coast on Wednesday, bringing some light showers and maybe even some snow and tricky travel conditions. But sun returns for Turkey Day, but a bit colder.
So a little unfortunate running into the snow next week, but still lucky to not having it on that Thanksgiving holiday.
Yeah, some sun, but it will be cold out there, so bundle up if you're playing football with the family.
Thanks, Travis. And now we go live.
Meteorological data housed in this Cotton Region shelter here, which is painted white to avoid the direct impact of the sun. It houses several thermometers and backup thermometers to record the temperatures, and that is what we use here on Weather or Not to report the averages to you each week. Commonwealth, but look at this, in the northwestern zones only made it into the teens today with 15 at Bradford, 14 over in Erie, even colder off to our west. So these cold temperatures will continue to filter in overnight tonight. So definitely one of the nights to layer up. Half an inch of some ice, so that caused a lot of headaches across the major metro regions of Harrisburg and Philadelphia this morning. But it is moving out of the region. We're through the thick of it. Our next story to come is the cold air that will filter in behind it. If we look off to our north and west, there is a high pressure system building southward that's pushing in a lot of cold air. It's already -5 in Billings, -2 over in Denver, even sub-freezing there in Dallas. So this cold air will continue to plunge southward and eastward over the next couple of days, and that will lead to some below average temperature readings for us here in Pennsylvania. The snow and accumulate from 2 to 3 inches by this evening. I'll have more details coming up. To find out when your neighborhood is scheduled for your collection week and other helpful information, you can visit the website posted below. You'll want to make sure that the leaves are free of brush and rocks and other debris, as this can damage collection equipment. Reporting for Weather or Not, I'm Travis Patterson.